yikes, I've got names everywhere in my desk, on my car, in my purse. Help, I can't manage these contacts. Today's topic is how do I create a contact management system that actually works? In direct selling, it's hard because you've got leads everywhere. You get them from the event that you were at last weekend. You've got another pile of door prize slips from your party. You've got names on the bottom of a sales appointment slip that were referrals. And maybe you've even got something jotted down on a notepad or your phone from someone you met at the mall. The key is to pick the system that works for you. The basic questions that will help you do that are these. First, are you a paper person or an electronic person? If you're typically jotting all your notes in that go-to spiral notebook, that's probably where you want your leads. If you're always on the phone and you track your whole world in your phone, then an electronic system is going to work for you. Where will you be when you're making the calls? Will you be at your desk? Will you be in the car? The key is you want a system that's going to be where you are. So if you're going to be making those calls from the soccer field, be sure to have something that goes with you. Now, do you need this name just today or do you need it for a long time? When I would come back from an event, I'd put a rubber band around my pile of leads, put a post-it note on the front with the names of the event and the date. And then I would call through it 2 or 3 times. And when they were the 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or however many leads were actually going to turn into business, those are the ones I would enter into my contact system. The other question is, do you want all your contacts in one place or do you want your business and personal things separate? And that's a big question to ask. Maybe you have 2 separate systems. Maybe one's paper, one's electronic. But the best contact management system is the one that you will actually use and follow up with. So think about how you typically keep track of your life. Think about where you're going to make those calls. And think about, do I need this number forever or just for now? And those things will guide you to creating a contact management system that's uniquely yours.